This is loud as hell. Here comes another one. Got it. Here comes another one. That wasn't so bad. Spoke too soon. Jesus. And that made me drop my fidget spinner. Here comes another one. I'm shaking so much right now. Jesus Christ. I'm sorry about the shaky camera. It's just very nerve-wracking right now. There's another one. Here comes another one. The storm intensified very fast. Look, here comes another one. Oh, there was another one too. Got it. Wow, the gutters are leaking like crazy. And look over there too. The wind's picking up. Here comes another one. Yeah, first it started out as a dry thunderstorm. That's why there was like so much cloud to ground lightning. But then like it started getting cooler, and that meant that the rain wasn't evaporating, so it just caused a torrential downpour. But yeah, winds are shifting directions from west. The winds are shifting direction from east to west. Jeez. Now the winds are shifting from east to west again. It's just going completely bananas right now. But remarkably, we still have power, even though that the wind was insane and the lightning was insane too. And there was surprisingly no hail whatsoever. It's nice and cool now, though. Here comes another. That was good. I like that. That loud crash happening. Hearing the loud crash in the distance before you hear it here. I always love that. Here's on my back porch, as you can see. The wind and the rain kind of did a number on it, and it once we had a storm so bad that it blew from this side over here all the way to this side. But yeah. And the storm looks like we're near the end. Sorry, voice crack. That made me jump. A lot of it was making me jump today. Woo! I thought I smelled something burning earlier, which is not a big surprise considering how much lightning we've gotten. I missed the flash, but I got the boom, so yeah. Yeah, something definitely got struck because I hear a fire truck. Oh, here comes another one. Yeah, someone was looking out the window because why is it so loud? Like, what in the world?
Tron has a virus, which, what? Tell me how that works with an arcade machine? And furthermore, if these two movies have taught me anything, the arcade owner disposes of the machines as soon as anything goes wrong with them. So why is he keeping Tron plugged in?
Help! Hey, Tron!
In the service of one stupid joke, movie yada yada's the entire line of logic that would explain how Vanellope and Ralph got out of the Tron game. Like, this appears to be the same night. So what happened? Did Felix come out and let them out?
For 27 years, I was a total zero without any friends.
Have we discussed the weirdness of different generations of video games with different advances in code, easily moving in and out of every game they want? Because that's weird, yeah? Also, does nobody except Vanellope and Ralph wander from game to game in this arcade? You don't see anybody else in other games unless it's Tapper.
Home run!
Character humorously misappropriates another sport when talking about playing another sport cliche.
That's
Dickhead.
a plug-in alert.
This is what I used to tell my college roommate whenever I thought there was a possibility of coitus in my dorm room that night.
Whiffy? Or wifey? Well, it's either wiffle ball or an arranged marriage game.
How would Ralph have any clue about arranged marriages? I know, it's a joke, but it's a stupid joke, given the context of the character.
The internet, which is an online community where human beings go to shop.
It's not explaining.
Yeah, the glitch. I love her.
glitch stands. There are glitch stands in this universe now?
Oh, fun, I'm winning.
This is presented as Vanellope kicking everyone's ass in this game on a consistent basis. But if the player who is controlling her sucks, what happens then? She's super popular, so I assume she's very rarely an NPC that could dominate on her own. And yeah, she later takes the detour on her own, but apparently that's the first time it's ever happened. Cool, but isn't he supposed to be inside his game right now? And the end of the last movie told us how popular it is now ever since Q*bert characters got inside. Funny how the Toy Story characters managed to live under one basic rule about not revealing themselves to humans, and video game characters have none. Vanellope apparently likes the idea of a new track more than winning, and she completely removes control of her character from the young people playing her game. Maybe the point is that they never had control, but what if someone simply decided to stop playing? Would they see Vanellope continue hauling ass on the track and winning?
Oh, no.
How are they not seeing Ralph come into this picture on the screen here? Vanellope was the only viewable character during the race, so they should all be clearly visible, right? Where is camera?
You know I take my duty as your hero very seriously.
You took a serious duty where?
Duty, part 2D.
How much? That's more than this game makes in a year.
Maybe you should put some Q*bert characters into it.
We found some good homes for